to my channel Adyan's World. Today my project is digital dice using code.org app lab. Let's move on to the video. In the design part, I have used screen 1, 6 image and 1 play button. Let's move on to the coding part. Starting the code with on event play button, time loop to 100, variable a is equals to random number 1 to 6. If a is equals to 1, set image URL image1 dice 1 image. If a is equals to 2, set image URL image1 dice image 2. If a is equals to 3, set image URL image1 dice image 3. If a is equals to 4, set image URL image1 dice image 4. If a is equals to 5, set image URL image1 dice 5 image. If a is equals to 6, set image URL image1 dice 6 image. Time loop 4000. Stop time loop. That's all. Let's play the dice. Dice. The link is in the description. If you want to learn this app, join Wingy. That's all, friends. This is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Adyan from Robotics.